How often to apply Miracle-Gro to grass? Because it takes many grass plants to make a lawn, it's all too easy to forget that, like other plants, grass must be properly cared for. In addition to adequate sun and moisture, grass also needs sufficient nutrients in the form of an all-purpose fertilizer, such as Miracle-Gro Water-Soluble Lawn Food, or a comparable product. A typical schedule involves applying the fertilizer to an established lawn every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Grass takes up some of its nutrients from the soil. These include nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the 3 primary macronutrients that grass needs in the largest amounts. Other important minerals are needed in lesser amounts. Called micronutrients, they include sulfur, calcium and magnesium, as well as trace nutrients such as iron, boron, copper and nickel. Miracle-Gro Water-Soluble Lawn Food does not contain any phosphorus and may not contain all micronutrients. For average lawn maintenance, use 1 tablespoon Miracle-Gro Water-Soluble Lawn Food in 1 gallon of water for every 15 square feet of lawn. Use 1 gallon for every 10 square feet if your lawn is in poor condition.